welcome to How to IT videos. Today we're going to talk about computer resellers and computer recyclers. Computer resellers typically buy, break down, collect, and sell computer products. Computer resellers also tend to repair computer products as part of a value add or to basically get more money in return for the products after they've added that value. Computer maintenance companies usually support large corporations, medium-sized businesses, and sometimes even small businesses. But for the most part, they're usually trying to maintain and keep computers running for large companies. And so if you work at company A, your computer breaks down, the company may not have a lot of time to figure out what's going on with your system. Or maybe it can't be fixed or repaired by the in-house technician. Computer maintenance companies will tend to replace that product for companies, and they tend to do it expeditiously. These maintenance companies tend to need particular or specific parts to go ahead and fix the computers that are out in the field, or when they retrieve the broken computer and decide to liquidate that if it's been completely replaced, they may decide to go ahead and find value in that or send it downstream or through the chain to computer resellers who then might find another value for it. In some cases, private companies may also be trying to save a dollar or go ahead and try to procure their own proprietary products or parts for repairing computers that have also maybe failed. They would also tend to go ahead and try to buy from computer resellers and possibly computer recyclers and computer brokers. Computer resellers also sell to data centers. Data centers are also known as the cloud. A lot of private companies have decided over the years to go ahead and outsource a lot of their servers and hosting and different computer needs and actually push them off-site into locations that actually allow a lot of private companies to go ahead and co-locate or coexist in one section or one building that is specifically designed and supported. Due to this, data centers tend to generate a demand for computer parts that either didn't exist before or existed through maintenance companies and private companies directly. And last but not least, computer resellers also sell to end users. End users and hobbyists also tend to look for specific products that they know work for their needs.
What do these products look like? Well, they can look like products you have probably used before.
Where do computer resellers sell their products outside of who they sell to? Well, they tend to sell their products online these days. So that might mean a price comparison website like BizRate or PriceGrabber or Google Base, Google Shopping. They may also sell their products directly on their own shopping cart or e-commerce solution that might be associated or attached to their website. And in some cases, computer resellers do sales the old-fashioned way. They might pick up a phone or send out an email and go ahead and contact other computer resellers and other computer brokers that may have a need for specific parts that might be sitting in their warehouse, in their inventory. What are some synonyms for computer resellers? What are the names you hear out there? What might you find when you go searching, and what might work for your need? Well, there's computer resellers, of course, computer recyclers, computer brokers. There's also computer reclaimers, computer salvage shops, computer repair shops, e-waste management. In addition, there's planned obsolescence, e-cycling, and they might also be called parts brokers. You might also hear that. So the next thing we're going to do, though, is we're going to actually take you to that next step to give you an idea of what I'm talking about. So we're going to go to a search engine, throw in a couple keywords, check out the results. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go right on over to Firefox. Everybody loves Firefox, all you geeks out there, all you nerds. So we'll go with that. Next time I might use Microsoft, who knows. So here we go. Computer Seller. Okay, great. So now what do we have here? We have a bunch of links here, of course. We've got some stuff that people paid to be there in their placement. And we've got some things that, Google just kind of found and gave to us here. So let's go and kind of zoom on in. So we're going to go ahead and click on, let's see here, how to start your own computer reseller business from home. No, we don't want us to do that. Discounts and bulk purchasing programs, wholesale computer reseller. So yeah, let's take a look at some of these things. Outlet PC. So, these people obviously sell computer parts. I'm not sure, how much they do refurbished or used, but you could usually click around and find out, how they're advertising or what they're offering. I'm going to go back. We're going to go to techturn.com, it looks like. They popped up here. They're also offering some different products here. Now, this might be all new. I'm not sure.
Quick list of example companies would include Delta Peripheral, Tamayatech, Countrywide Computer Components, InStock Inc., Minnesota Computers, and Orange Coast Recycling, just to name a few.